What's going on, guys? Just wanted to make a first YouTube video here. So I have a home gym and I am currently beefing it up, getting some new equipment for in here. As you can see behind me, I got the Rogue Monster Light 3W, I think it's called. And it's great. I'm gonna make a couple adjustments to it. As you can see on the floor, I've got to put these pieces of OSB because I didn't take the lower stringer low enough, I guess. So gonna have to make an adjustment there. But I will give you a quick tour of the gym. And as you see behind me, I have the brand new, to me, and it is new, but it is a Rep BlackWing bench. These things are like commercial grade. They're amazing. I cannot wait to put it together. Wanted to do a little bit of an unboxing. So you can see I got a little bit excited. Let's see if I can get it here. I got the seat and the backrest for it sitting there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera and kind of show you the process and putting it together. So let me go ahead and give you a quick tour and we'll get right to the build. So coming in to the garage, we call it Gaines Garage. We got a weight tree here. My Rogue rack was supposed to be going on this wall. I built it for that purpose, but didn't take into account the length of the barbell. It was gonna be too close to the wall. So that was, a little bit of a pain, but can't cry over spoiled milk. So I'm gonna put attachments on here like, things like cable attachments, easy bar curl bars, hex bar deadlift, things like that. We have a Body Masters leg press machine. We have another leg machine kind of similar to a hack squat. Got a seated row machine. Oh, it just bumped into my barbell there. Have 3 weight stacks total on each of these. We can only utilize the row stack and this stack here. But it's got a pull-up attachment on it. It's got lat pull down, which is really, really great to have. Again, 3 stacks over here. Now these suckers, these are brand spanking new. These are the Snowed adjustable dumbbells. They go from 10 pounds to 80 pounds. Very, very happy with these. Like ecstatically happy with these things. So nice. Let me see if I can get it to focus. So it's as simple as this. Done a lot of research on adjustable dumbbells. They go all the way up to 80. And these were the best. All cast iron, stand is cast iron. This thing is built to last. Really look forward to getting years out of use out of this. So yeah, we have a pec deck machine over here. We have a lat pullover machine here. And we have our Rogue Monster Light rack here. So this mirror that you see over here eventually is gonna be coming down, and I'm gonna be getting a mirror to be vertical between the stringers here. But like I said, I'm gonna have to move this bottom stringer so it will be where the feet touch the ground firmly, so I don't have to have any blocking underneath. I got the safety spotter arms. These suckers are so nice. They're about 30 pounds each, it feels. Very, very heavy duty, high quality, great. So that is where we are at. Very blessed to have this home gym. I'm gonna be doing personal training out of here. Personal training for myself, friends, family, things like that. So as you can see, we got a barbell holder up there. We got a few signs hung up, took some down, but yeah, that is where we're at. So let's get on to building this beautiful bench. Rep baby. So, as you guys can see here, this is the issue that I'm having. I'm gonna have to pull that stringer down, number one, to eliminate these, the feet. The arms coming off the stringers are going to be going down as well. And as you can see, my bolts, these are the lowest that these safety bars will come down right now. And lying on the bench with the barbell, all the way down to those safety spotter arms, about 2 or 3 inches off my chest. So that's not gonna work. So another reason for me to adjust what I've done. I will be planning to make a review strictly for this bench. So, let you guys know, is it worth the price tag? Because it is a more expensive bench on the market, but again, wanted to get something that will last, just like those Snow dumbbells. And I will say, I am not sponsored, affiliated, or anything with Rogue or Rep or Snowed or anybody. So this is strictly like advice from me to you. Been in the gym a long time. Want you guys to know if it is worth it, if it's worth the investment for your home gym. So keep an eye out for that video. Appreciate you guys watching. Love you all. See you soon.